What's going on, guys? It's your boy gdwarrior here. Today we're gonna remove the rear wheel. I'll show you how to do it in order to put my new Cobra tire on there, my 250, because this one is shot. So every setup varies a little bit because some people, you know, have long pipes like I do, but for example they don't have the tricky air ride. With the tricky air ride, it drops so low that the exhaust actually is underneath the swing arm, as you can see, and I have access to that bolt. If you don't have the tricky air ride, the exhaust might be aligned somewhat higher, and then you don't have the access to that nut right here, to the axle nut. Okay, so you're gonna have to remove the exhaust. I am lucky. I got the tricky air ride. You know, it's dropped all the way down. I can't even put my my lift underneath that thingy because it's so low, and it drops the exhaust, so I have access to the exhaust. So before we get started, let's cover that exhaust up because we don't want to get any scratches. As you can see, I just painted with barbecue paint. It looks like ceramic coating, and we don't want to make sure that we don't get any freaking scratches and shit, you know, because what's our Warrior? Exactly, it's our baby. Okay, so let's cover this fucker up right here. Tools needed. I got a 27mm socket right here and a 14. The 14 goes in here for the caliper or the bracket, and then this one for the axle nut. So we go ahead and let's loosen them. I already loosened them up a little bit. Okay, here's the nut. There's another piece that goes, the big fucking washer, and then this bracket right here, and this is your axle. This axle has to be pushed out once you raise the bike. Okay, so let's put this on the side. Next step, 40mm. Okay, same thing here. 40mm bolt comes with a washer. Okay, don't lose that washer. Alright, so now, alright, so before we lift up the bike, let's push out that axle, because once I raise the bike, I got tricky air ride, the exhaust will be in the way and I won't be able to get that axle out. Okay, so let's take a rubber mallet. I got an extension here that I take. I'll put it in there. And just push it almost out. Always grease your axle, right? It's easier to take it out. And here's the caliper. Oh yeah, watch out for these little bastards here. They like to drop out of the wheel. Same thing over here. So we might be able to take the belt off right now. And let's take this bastard out too. There we go. Same as on this side. Hold the caliper. Oh, this is Kyle's work right here. Alright. Okay, I lifted the bike a little bit. Boom, that was it. Here's your wheel ready for the change. Wasn't that bad, right? So that's all we gotta do. All I needed for this job: torque wrench, 27 socket, the 14 socket, a little extension here, rubber mallet, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and now let's go get this bad boy on. Can't wait. gdwarrior. If this video was of any help to you, please like and subscribe, and I'm excited. I see you guys soon. Bye.